Looking for the perfect RGB strip lights to elevate your TV setup? Here are the top 5 best LED backlight strips to light up your screen in style. Let's get started. Item number 5. Enhance your gaming and viewing experience with the Kulo WS2811 LED strip. This smart 12-volt RGB strip features 48 SMD 5050 LEDs, delivering vibrant, synchronized lighting. The sync box supports high resolutions, 4K at 60 Hz and 4K at 20 Hz, ensuring immersive visuals with smooth transitions and fast scenes. With easy installation and no need for professional tools, it's perfect for TV setups, creating adaptive lighting that reduces eye strain. Enjoy dynamic, realistic lighting that syncs with your screen for a truly captivating experience. Item number 4. Transform your TV viewing experience with the Excelix TV Backlight LED strip. Featuring 48 SM5050 LEDs and smart HDMI sync box, it supports 4K HDR and Dolby Vision via HDMI 2.0 2.1, compatible with devices like PS5, Xbox, and TV boxes. Control lighting with the Tuya Smart Life app or voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. Enjoy immersive dynamic colors that sync with your screen, enhancing gaming and movie sessions. Easy installation and enhanced music mode create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Item number 3. Elevate your TV viewing with the Kulo HDMI 2.0 2.1 Ambient TV PC Backlight Kit. Featuring 48 SMD 5050 LEDs and smart sync box, it supports high-quality video up to 4K at 120 Hz, with HDMI 2.1 offering enhanced features like VRR, HDR, and Dolby. Experience ultra-immersive gaming and movie sessions with precise color syncing, even in fast-paced scenes. The waterproof, easy-to-install LED strip is perfect for creating dynamic lighting effects that enhance your living room ambiance. Item number 2. Transform your living room with the Excelix TV Backlight Kit. Featuring 48 SMD 5050 LEDs, this smart device offers immersive lighting synced with your screen. It supports HDMI 2.0 2.1, delivering up to 4K at 120 Hz with HDR and Dolby Vision. Control lighting via the Tuya Smart Life app or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Enjoy dynamic lighting with music sync and create the perfect ambiance for gaming or movie nights. Easy installation makes it perfect for any HDMI-compatible device. Item number 1. Upgrade your screen experience with this AI-powered Ambient TV Backlight Kit. Featuring WS2811 LED chips and HDMI 2.0 support, it delivers precise 4K at 60 Hz HDR10+ syncing without needing an app or Wi-Fi. The smart AI chip ensures accurate color matching and eliminates flicker. Designed for 40 to 75-inch screens, it includes a waterproof PU-coated light strip and an efficient heat dissipation system to extend lifespan. With easy setup, RGB lighting, and HDCP 2.2 compatibility, it's perfect for immersive, hassle-free viewing. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.